This is Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. Today we had a customer that wanted a partial dip, and instead of wasting a bunch of film, we just use these things right here called blow-away dams. So what you do is you just lay your film in the water, and then when we put this down, this is going to go down in the water with the part, so you don't burn as much film. Do a minute soak time. So when we push this down, these will go down into the water, so you don't have to use that much film and waste your film. We made these just out of some foam rubber that you can buy at the hardware store for pipe insulation. So it obviously floats. Waiting on that 1 minute soak time. Alright.